Good evening. News headlines 9th October 2021. First international news Chinese. President Xi Jinping vows to pursue reunification with Taiwan by peaceful means. Reports CNN. Taiwan says it is sovereign, independent country as she pledges reunification. Reports ANI. Chinese President Xi Jinping delivers important speech marking 110th anniversary of 1911 revolution. Reports CGTN. China orders increase in coal production to tackle power crisis, resorts to hike in power tariffs. Report AIR. India, China to address military standoff, hold 13th round of talks tomorrow. Reports Indian Express and ANI. US Trade Representative holds virtual meeting with China's Vice Premier, discuss trade relationship. Reports ANI. US Taliban officials to hold talks in Doha. Reports ANI. Thousands of Afghans received humanitarian assistance, UN agency. Reports ANI. 6 people with the Russian passports detained in Turkey for alleged espionage. Reports ANI. 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit Vanuatu region. Reports ANI. 4 people died in plane crash in US state of Georgia. Reports ANI. Facebook had second global outage this week. Issues fixed now. Reports NDTV. Now, national news Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra appears before UPSIT regarding Lakhimpur Kheri, UP violence. Reports Republic TV. Former IS officer Shah Faisal has been appointed advisor to Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Reports Republic TV. Drugs on cruise case. Shah Rukh Khan's driver summoned by narcotics agency. Maharashtra minister releases videos, claims anti-drugs agency let 3 people go. Film producer at Imtiaz Khatri's Mumbai home raided by anti-drugs agency. Reports NDTV. Blackouts likely in Delhi after today's if coal supply not restored, says Minister amid shortage. Reports NDTV. Congress top body to meet on 16th October to hold talks over new chief, current political situation, and state elections next year. Reports NDTV. Tata Punch Micro SUV launched. Reports NDTV. Horror in Hyderabad due to heavy rain. Reports NDTV. 19,740 fresh coronavirus cases in India, 7% lower than yesterday. 248 deaths in last 24 hours. Reports NDTV and Times of India. More than 94 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses administered so far, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Reports ANI. India's IT sector is benefiting from a cryptocurrency boom. Reports Times of India. Yesterday, Ratan Tata won Air India bid for rupees 18,000 crores. After 6 decades, Tata gets back Air India, which was taken over by the government. Reports Times of India. Indian Coast Guard's Inspector General Dev Raj Sharma awarded President's Tatrakshat Medal. Reports ANI. Minister of State Lekhi greets diplomats on the occasion of Indian Foreign Services Day. Minister of State Lekhi to visit Serbia to attend 60th anniversary of Non-Aligned Movement, NAM. Reports ANI. Amit Shah to visit Uttarakhand on 16th October 2017 to discuss upcoming assembly polls, sources. Reports ANI. Enforcement Directorate arrest Sukesh Chandrasekhar, Leena Maria Paul. Reports ANI. Quantitative restriction on export of 3 types of syringes Union Health Ministry. Reports ANI. PM Modi, Danish counterpart Frederiksen hold bilateral talks at Hyderabad House. PM Modi an inspiration for rest of the world, Danish Prime Minister. India, Denmark exchange 4 memorandum of understandings, including agreements on groundwater resources and skill development. India, Denmark have decided to expand the scope of cooperation, Prime Minister of India Modi. Reports ANI. Defense Ministry probe into alleged Coast Guard forgery case on senior officers' records go missing. Reports ANI. IT Department raids Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company seizes rupees 142 crore. Reports ANI. Study finds screen time linked to risk of myopia in young people. Reports ANI. Jaishankar to embark on three-nation tour on 10th October. Reports ANI. Fake international call center busted in Delhi, 4 apprehended. Reports ANI. In Chennai, couple charged to death due to fire in AC unit of rented flat. Reports ANI. Petrol, diesel prices hiked for 5th consecutive day. Reports ANI. Over 3 crore unorganized workers registered on eShram portal. Reports ANI. Samarth training at 75 training centers in different craft inaugurated across country, Ministry of Textiles. Reports ANI. Thank you. Please subscribe free to iIntelligence, iNews to get more videos on important news. Also, like and share if you find our videos really updating, useful and informative. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next news update.